One of the questions I often get asked in my consulting practice is, how do I go up against health insurance companies? Can I do that and win? And the answer is definitely yes. So I just got done speaking at a national healthcare conference here in Houston, and I talked on that specific issue. So healthcare providers want to get fee increases. They want to get better contract terms. How do you do that? Oftentimes they think they can't, but yes, you can. There's a strategy and a methodology that if you follow that, and if you're also persistent, that you can see wins on fee schedule increases and also better contract terms. So when I spoke at the conference, I kind of gave some tips and strategies on how do you do that. First of all, you have to understand how insurance companies think. They think radically different than you as the medical provider. You need to get into their world, understand how they think. So that's the first thing you need to do. Also too, you need to have data. Those health insurance companies, they have tons of data on you. You need to have data on utilization. You need to have data on your financial structure and cost structure. You need to have data on quality metrics like clinical outcomes and patient satisfaction. That data then you use in your negotiations. And then thirdly, you need to have a good game plan and strategy. So what is going to be your negotiation tactics? Are you thinking win-win? Are you looking at how can you leverage your position in the market, your differentiators in the market, to use that to get those fee schedule increases and to get those better contract terms? So those are things that I've talked about at conference, but also one of the things I talk about, this is what I work with clients from coast to coast on right now. And what's been great to see is some of the wins that we've gotten in terms of fee schedule increases, but also better contract terms. I just recently worked with a client, went through the Blue Cross appeal review process, and was able to help that client get a significant payback to what they were normally expecting. And what they had to do is they followed these steps and they were persistent. So oftentimes when you go up against an insurance company, you're not going to get a win on the first time, but if you're persistent, if you have a good strategy, and if you routinize a methodology to do that, you can see victories happen. So I'd love to talk to you about this more. Like I said, I've been working with clients on this, and it's an area that I really like doing right now, given my educational background and 30 plus years of talking with healthcare and working with insurance companies on this issue. So look for more videos like this on my YouTube channel, videos that will help impact and accelerate your organization.